Okay, students, it's time for us to move on to our math lesson for the day. I have a really fun activity planned for us. But first I want to go over what we've been talking about. Decimal place value. We have talked about how our decimal always says the word and. We've talked about our standard form of a number and our word form of the number. And that's what our activity is going to be over today. But I want to practice it with you really fast first. To say the standard form of a number, this is the number 61 and 24 hundredths. So why did I not say 2/10 and 4 hundredths? If you remember, we come up here and you say it as a whole and you look at the place where it is. So it's 1, 2, past the decimal. So you count 1, 2, it's going to be hundredths. So it's 48 hundredths up here. So this is 24 hundredths. And in the word form, it says it exactly the same. It's just written differently. So the word form of that same number would be 61 and 24 hundredths. Okay? When we move on over here to our activity, this is called decimal place, excuse me, decimal place value whack-a-mole. We are going to separate into partners, and I will have this on one of the partners' desks, so this exact setup. And right here it has hundreds, tens, ones, a decimal place for and, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. One of the partners will be given the whacking stick, and the other partner will choose a number, and they will put it up in each place. You don't necessarily even have to fill each place. So when that number is placed up there, the partner with the stick will go over and say the number. 407 and 158 thousandths. And it is then that partner will take the numbers down, hand the stick to the other partner, and they will switch places and take a different turn. I will be walking around and monitoring what you're saying and making sure you're saying the words properly. And then if you have a question, I will be right there. Raise your hand. I'm really excited for y'all to play this. Have fun.